Allowing caulk to overhang jagged or cut tiles at a joint can be an effective way to hide imperfect cuts when done correctly. When repairing or finishing a joint where tile cuts are rough, start by cleaning the joint and surrounding tile faces with isopropyl alcohol so the caulk adheres and does not trap dust. Use painter tape positioned above the rough cut along the tile face to create a clean boundary and protect the glaze from excess material. Apply a bead of high-quality silicone or hybrid caulk, sized to fill the gap without overpacking. Aim for a smooth, continuous bead that slightly overlaps the jagged tile edge by a narrow, consistent margin. After tooling the bead with a wet finger or a caulk finishing tool, remove the tape before the caulk skins to leave a crisp line and a uniform finish. If color matching is important, choose a caulk that closely matches grout or tile, and test in an inconspicuous spot because wet and cured colors can differ. Allow full cure time on the product label before exposing to water or paint, and ensure the joint has proper backing where necessary for deep gaps by using a foam backer rod to prevent three-sided adhesion. Common problems include using too much caulk so it puddles and looks sloppy. Fix this by applying a controlled bead and tooling immediately to compress and smooth the caulk. Another issue is tape placed incorrectly so it does not cover the worst of the jagged cut. Move the tape slightly higher on the tile face so the caulk can overlap the rough edge without touching visible tile areas. A third concern is choosing a caulk that does not adhere well to tile or is the wrong flexibility. Pick a product rated for tile and movement joints and test adhesion on a scrap piece before committing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can share project details and get recommendations tied to jobs like tile repairs and finishing. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where we and others trade tips, ask questions, and show before and after photos.